The main reason why Tai Chi is often called meditation in motion is because it's one of the few activities that one does in which one is a participant as well as an observer. Because when you do something so slowly, you are forced to observe it. And when you observe something, and when you observe yourself in that sense, it brings about emotive, mental changes, paradigm shifts. And initially it may seem as if you're not doing much, you're doing something so slowly. That's why it's called an investment in loss. Even swimming on dry land, because it's so soft and apparently gentle. But that's also contradictory. It's not really like that, because it really works on your system. You realize after doing it 10 days, 20 days, suddenly your balance is better, maybe your legs are aching. Why are they aching? I was doing it so gently. But they do, because there's a constant tug and pull all the time. And few simple movements: standing postures, moving posture, and forms. Forms are basically series of movements put together depending on 16, 24, 44, and the longest 108 or 116. Yeah. So I'll just start with the 5 basic standing meditation. 1. You hold each one for a count of 10, 15, 20, which is up to you. 2. It's like you're supporting pillars of air. 3. Like peeping into the neighbors. 4. Big chest, big chest. This is the one that's pretty much used quite regularly, in the sense standing meditation or hugging a tree. 5. Big stomach. And that's it. Now, this one has actually a certain amount of movement. It's not still. This is called parting the clouds. In Tai Chi, everything comes from downstairs, from the ground, rooting. Yeah. So as you go forward, you part, you breathe out, you come back, you gather. Go forward, breathe out, come back, you gather. And it's all gentle. The bend, the sink is fairly minute. The beach ball circle, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, carrying the ball, shifting side to side, from one side to the next. These are all things that anybody can do, and it doesn't require any great skill at learning it. It just needs one to want to do it. That's about it. Thank you.